I'm thrilled to introduce you to the vibrant heart of Accra, the Art Center. This cultural hub is an absolute must-visit for anyone seeking an immersive experience in African art and craftsmanship.
So guys, as you can see, this is what I have.
Let's talk about accessibility. So the Art Center is just a short Uber or taxi ride away from the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Another alternative is you can hop on a local trotro for an authentic Ghanaian travel experience. The journey takes around 15 to 20 minutes depending on traffic, and costs are fairly affordable. One thing I first noticed is the inviting atmosphere. The bustling stores greet you with the lively ambience of the center. I'd say for a more relaxed visit, aim for weekdays when crowds are thinner.
Well, actually, the art center is quite bigger than I thought. I never expected this, but let's do it. So, funny enough, I was trying to do a B-roll of one of the shops, and the shop owner came to me and was like, you can't film anything here unless you buy something. So I was like, oh, but I'm trying to film a video for you. So in a way, it becomes more or less like a sort of marketing for you, for your shop, so that, you know, the next time someone watches the video and come here, you get a marketing and stuff. But it was like, no, unless you buy something before. And I also found something, you know, I was taking a stroll behind the center, and I found something which caught my attention, and I want to show you guys. What's up, guys? So I'm currently at the beach. This is right behind the art center, and I'm gonna show you guys around.
The views I had are incredibly flattering to the eye. I also noticed that there's plenty room to develop the coastline, like introducing beach resorts, beach sports, and others.
I want to be honest with you, Ghana has an amazing, beautiful coastline that I think it can be developed, you know. A lot can be done over here. Currently, I'm heading to the Black Star Square to see what's behind there. Because as I'm here, I'm intrigued and I want to find out what's actually over there. So let's go find out. So I don't know whether you can see, right there is the Christianborg Castle. This is so beautiful. Nature has done everything for us, and I feel like a lot can be done to develop our coastlines. Don't you think? Let me know in the comment section what your ideas or what you think about this. So I found this canoe right there. I'm gonna check out what.
I bumped into this military officer who was cautious and nearly sent me back to where I started the journey from. And with my people skills, I struck up a conversation with him and we became friends.
At the end of the month, they will give maybe that man, that man said that maybe you are owing some people, very, very many. So she say almost 70%, 80% is going to loan. You repay loan. Then the rest you start using it again. You no go use any place for anything. That's how we are living. It's not good. But if you know say somebody self you know say at the end of the day 100 Ghana I dey get where I go be spending 30 cedis in a time. 70 go to save it or 50 I think 50 go going to save it. At the end of the month now you have something. It's not easy. Business is I mean you go.
Thank you very much. I'll be coming here to listen to you. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, my then nice to meet you. So this can I use this at all?
Hello. You that place block. You place this block eh. You the under. Yes. Thank you very much. But you walk straight in, fast. They are working.
So the funny thing is I met this military man and he was like, they don't walk behind the Black Star squares. So I was like, how? And then he was trying to explain to me that, oh, they are renovating the place, they're doing some work and stuff over here. So that's why they're not allowing people to come around. Even recently, if you could remember, for the past, I think, 2 years or 3 years, they haven't been hosting the Independence Day celebrations here, just because the whole place needs to be renovated. So yeah, that's basically it. I was thinking he's gonna ask for money, but thankfully he didn't ask. He's patriotic. Thank you for that, Mr. Marcus. I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's work together. So let me share your thoughts about this whole encounter, and yeah, see you on the next one.